Good day, student. In this today's session, we will see the second program of practical number 8. That is a display the season, summer, winter, rain for given month of year. Means what will we do in this program? So suppose, we have 12 months and each season has 4 months. Means suppose we will take example of summer. So summer, the month February, March, April and May. These 4 months are representing the season summer. Next 4 months, that is a June, July, August, September. This will represent the rainy season, and last 4 months are representing the season winter. So we just by using the switch statement we can display. Suppose user entered month January, so it will display the output as a season is winter. Suppose if user have entered month May, then it will show the answer that the current season is summer, like that. So now we will see the Turbo C program for this one. So see here, first we should create new file and save that file by using .c operator, .c file extension. Now we have already included 2 header files, that is a stdio.h and conio.h. Now in the void main we have declared one variable having integer data type to take input from the user of its choice. So in the printf we have mentioned one instruction, that is enter value 1 for January, 2 for February, like that, 12 for December. By using scanf we are taking input from the user, that is a month number, and it will store into the ch variable. Now we will use the switch statement. So in the switch statement we are passing this ch, that is stored value which is entered by the user. Now see here, the month Feb, March, April, May, these 4 months representing the summer. So here case 2, 3, 4 and 5, that is a Feb, March, April and May. These 4 months are representing the summer. So here in the case 2, 3, 4, 5 we have written the summer, and after that break. So there is no need to write printf summer in front of all these cases. Why? Because if the case is 2, means suppose user entered value 2, that is a Feb, then it will check this case, but there is nothing in this case and there is also not a break statement, so it will again goes here after that 4. Why? Because all these 3 cases not contain this break statement. So after that it will come at case 5 and it will print the summer. Then next, the month number 6, 7, 8, 9, that is June, July, August, September. These all 4 months representing the rainy season, and after that we are using the break statement. Means if any one value from these 6, 7, 8 or 9, it will print the rainy season. And last one is a 1, 10, 11, 12, that is a October, November, December and January. For this it will display the winter season. And if user entered any other value from 1 to 12, then it will display the default case, that is a enter correct choice. Okay, now we will see the execution of this program. So first we will compile this program, and after that execute this program. Now see here, enter value 1 for January, 2 for Feb, 12 for December. Suppose I have entered 1. So 1, it will show the output winter. Okay, now again we will execute this program. Suppose I have entered 5, that is a month is May, and it should display the summer season. Okay, now last one, if I have entered month 8 or 9, it will show the rainy season. So what will happen if I forgot to write break statement? Okay, so see here, if I have given the number suppose 3, it will display summer and again rainy also. So suppose I enter 3. So summer and rainy. Why? Because after this summer, after this printf statement or after this case fib, we have not written break statement. So it will execute this statement, that is a print summer also, and after that it will check for case number 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to this it will not get the break statement, so it will again display this rainy. Okay, so break statement is very important to come out of the loop. So, okay, so this is the program to display the season, summer, winter, rain for given month of year. Thank you.